this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here talking about February's Knit Club project. It's called Mitts or Mittens, and we are going to be learning to match stripes in our yarns. So we're going to be making our stripes match, and we're going to be using this beautiful primary colorway that we have. It is a yarn that's by Knit Cole Adriaphil, and it is a superwash merino yarn, which means it's machine washable. And then we have also included for you rainbow easy open stitch markers, so you can use these on this project. So the beauty of this project in doing it, and the way I've written the pattern, is so that you can do the magic loop 2 at a time in the round method. So that involves a special cast on. You're going to be working on creating a thumb gusset. You will be getting to practice your skills on doing the magic loop method. So it's totally awesome. On my project, I was able to get both the mitts and the mittens. You can see on here, I used my leftover yarn, so these mitts don't exactly completely match. They're just the leftovers from what I had. And I still had plenty of yarn left over. So I think, unless your gauge is way different than mine, you should be able to get the mittens or the mitts. So on here, I did the small size mitten, and then I did the large size mitt. And the way I've designed these, if you look at them, they have a cuff at the bottom and a cuff at the top. And I've designed it so you can leave it and pull it on the inside of your jacket if you need to stay extra warm. And if it gets really cold outside, you can flip this up so it covers your fingers. So you can wear it like that, or you can have it with the cuff down. Either way, it can be worn. But I tried to make a super easy pattern so that you could focus on doing the magic loop method. So, and you see in here, I show you how to do the thumb. So it looks really, really nice. And I show you how to pick up the stitches that we need to pick up. And so hopefully you'll learn a lot when you're doing this. Now, when I talk to you, I always talk about the 3-2-1 rule. For the 3-2-1, we have, when we're learning a new skill, we like to practice that 3 times in a row. And with each project, we like no more than 2 new skills at a time. And we're going to practice 1 hour daily. So I hope you enjoy February's Knit Club project. And I am excited about talking and working with you for next month's project, which we have already done a lot of work on it, and I hope you'll enjoy that. So you go ahead and try the 2 at a time in the round, and I hope you enjoy it.